This old silver filling has become worn and no longer seals the tooth properly. The dentist confirms that the damaged filling should be replaced to restore the tooth. When a filling no longer seals the tooth, new decay can sometimes develop around its edges. The damaged filling is carefully removed while preserving healthy tooth structure. Any remaining decay is carefully removed before placing the new restoration. The prepared tooth is rinsed and conditioned for the bonding process. A bonding agent helps the composite securely attach to the tooth. Tooth-colored composite is placed in layers for strength and a natural appearance. Each layer is hardened with a curing light for long-lasting support. The restoration is shaped and polished to match the tooth's natural form. The bite is checked to ensure the new filling feels natural and functions properly. Daily brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups help restorations last longer. This video is educational and not personal medical advice.